Good morning, students. Now let us continue chapter circle. In the last class we have done a question related to in which we are given center and radius of the circle. We can frame the equation of circle. Next question is I am doing example 2, page number 24.5. I am reading the question. Find that you also open Adisama whenever you see my video. Find the equation of a circle which passes through the point of intersection of the lines 3x minus 2y minus 1 equal to 0 and 4x plus y minus 27 equal to 0 and whose center is 2, 3. Now let me draw the figure. You are asked to find equation of a circle whose center is given as 2, 3, minus 3. This is 2, minus 3. No need of going to quadrant. Yeah, we are randomly putting the center. This is C and one more condition is given as and passing through the point of intersection of two lines. You are given two lines and suppose that first line is like this and no need of crossing this one because if I cross it you will get confused, and one more line is this one is, and you have to find the equation of this circle which passes through the point of intersection of line these two lines as well as, and you are given the center of the required circle is 2, minus 3. That means in the central form of equation circle x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square equal to r square, h is equal to 2 and k equal to minus 3. We have to find r. That means since you are given that, let me do the figure once more. Since you are given that the circle passing through the point of intersection of the lines, first line is, I am taking the line, first line is 3x minus 2y. Let this line be 3x minus 2y minus 1 equal to 0. You can take any one of the line as you wish. Second line is, this one is 4x plus y minus 27 equal to 0. Now if you know this point, you can find the distance. Let the point of intersection of these two lines be P. You can find the point, this point of intersection of given lines, CP will give you the radius. How we can find point of intersection of these two lines? By just solving it. That is 4x plus y minus 27 equal to 0. Second equation is 3x minus 2y minus 1 equal to 0. 4, I am doing elimination. 4x, 1 minute, let me check. 3x minus 2y minus 1 equal to 0. And second equation is 4x plus y plus 7 equal to 0. Now, I want to eliminate y coordinate. In order to eliminate y coordinate, if I bring the coefficient of y equal to 2, then we can do elimination. Now, by multiplying this equation, it will be equation number 1, let it be equation number 2. By multiplying equation number by 2, you will get 8x plus 2y. This is not shown in Adisama. For just for you, I am showing this. This is 2 because already we have. This is 3 because already we have given name as 2 for second line. This is equation number 2. Now again 3x minus 2y minus 1 equal to 0. This is equation number 2. Now by solving it, you will get elimination. You have to add it. 11x. Let me check. 11x. This means 8x plus 2y. This equation is multiplied to 2 means 27 2s are 54. Correct it. That is 4x, we are multiplying first equation by 2, 8x plus 2y minus 54 equal to 0. Second equation as it is 3x minus 2y minus 1 equal to 0. By adding, y will get eliminated. That means 83x minus 55 is equal to 0 implies x equal to 55 by 5, 55 by 11, that is 5. Now you have to find the value of, no need of figure. Now you have to find the value of y. You can use any of the formula equation. I am using equation 2, that is 3x 15 minus 2y minus 1 equal to 0 implies minus 2y is equal to minus 40 implies y is equal to 7. Therefore, the point of intersection as in the figure मैंने जो P निकाला है, P, the point of intersection of lines and on the circumference of the circle is 5, 7. Now, in order to find radius, since P lies on the circle and C is center, radius is equal to Cp, that is under root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. x1 y1 can be taken as 5 7. Here by distance formula x1 y1 can be taken as 5 7 and x2 y2 as you wish, no matter at all. x2 y2 can be taken as 2 comma minus 3. 2 comma minus 3. By putting this you will get 5 minus 2. What we are going to do, we are finding the radius since the circle passes through the point of intersection of given two lines as P. We have found the point of intersection P, the coordinate of point of intersection as 5 7. Our center is given as 2 comma minus 3. Then Cp is the radius. By finding by using distance formula, we are finding the radius 5 minus 2 whole square plus 7 plus 3 whole square. That implies if you do it, you get 109. Now by central form of equation of circle, by central form of the equation of circle, the equation of the required circle is equation of the required circle. Required circle is, it is better to write formula than replace the values. Central form is x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to r square. Hk is 2 comma minus 3 implies x minus 2 whole square, x minus 2 whole square plus y plus 3 whole square is equal to r is root 109 whole square. Now if you solve it, अगर आप इसको वापस solve करेंगे in order to find change in standard form, that is first x as per descending order of degree of variables, x square plus y square minus 4x plus 6y plus 13 minus 109, that is x square plus y square minus 4x plus 6y minus 96 is equal to 0. This is the example to this question. You can expect for 2 marks only. Now next question is in the same page. This question is also very important. Example 3, page number 24.5. I am reading the question. Find the equation of a circle having center 3 comma minus 4 and touching the line 5x plus 12y minus 12 equal to 0. This is NCERT exemplar. I told you don't avoid any question related to NCERT exemplar. It is very important not only for class 11th but also for board examination of class 12th, because class 12 board examination is not so easy as class 10th board examination. Students used to think that if I score 95% in class 10, I will get easily 95% class 12. That is not the matter, because in class 12 more questions will come on the basis of application level. Now let me draw the figure. The figure is like this, and you are given center of the circle is 3 comma minus 4, and you are given that the circle is passing through the line. The circle is passing through the line means circle is touching the line. Circle is touching the line. Line should be straight. With lack of space, the line is like that. No matter. This is page number 24. And touching the line, the equation of line is given as 5x plus 12y minus 12 is equal to 0. Now since you are given center, no botheration about center, that means you are given hk in the standard form of the equation. Now you have to find the radius. What is radius? If I draw perpendicular from this point C to this line, this distance is the radius. Now we can find the perpendicular distance Cp. You have to go back to straight line. The distance of a point from x1 y1 to the line ax plus by plus c equal to 0 is mod ax1 plus by1 plus c upon root a square plus b square, that is distance formula. Here x1 y1 is 3 comma minus 4. The given line is 5x plus 12y minus 12 equal to 0. Let me check once more. Question okay, right. Now distance Cp from C to the line, let it be equation number 1, to the line 1 is equal to, first of all write the formula, mod ax1 plus by1 plus c upon root a square plus b square. By putting this, by finding this, what we are going to find? Yeah, we are going to find the radius of the circle, then you can easily use central form. That is mod Ix1 mod 5 into 3 plus 12 into minus 4 minus 12 upon root a square plus b square is root 25 plus 144. Then if you solve it, you will get this as you can do by yourself. 15 minus 48 minus 12, 15 minus 60, that is mod minus 45 upon root 5 square, 25 plus 140, 169, that is 13. Since it is distance, you have to ignore sign, that is 45 by 13. This is the radius. Now you have to find the equation of the circle by central form. What is the central form? By central form, you have to write the central form x minus h whole square. The central form of equation circle x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square equal to r square. I am not writing, but you have to write. The center is 3 comma, what is the center given? 3 comma minus 4. That is x minus 3 whole square plus y plus 4, y minus minus plus whole square is equal to r square. R square is 45. R is 45 by 13, that is 45 by 13 whole square. Now I am stopping this answer this much, but you have to take the radius square as well as you have to expand these two terms and you have to convert it to standard form. That is your homework you have to do. This is the second question. Now third question I am going to do is, each and every question I can't do. The example 5, page number 24.6. I am reading the question. The equation of two diameters of circle are x minus y equal to 5 and 2x plus y equal to 4, and the radius of circle is 5. Find the equation of circle. It's a simple question. You are given equation of diameter of circle. You know that diameter is perpendicular to each other. Now, if you are given equation of diameter of circle, let AB and CD be the diameter. Since you know that diameter perpendicular and the point of intersection diameter will give you center, by solving the equations of diameters you will get center, and radius you are given directly, then you can use center form. Then first diameter is, let us this be x minus y equal to 5, that is equation number 1. Second diameter is, I am writing here, second diameter is given as 2x plus y. 2x plus y is equal to 4. Now you have to solve these two. First one is 2x plus y equal to 4. I am taking this is equation number 1. No need of mentioning. Again you have to eliminate, multiply this equation by 2. 2x minus 2y is equal to 10. By subtracting you will get 3. Let me check. 2x minus 2y is equal to 10. 2x plus, first once more I will check the equations. 2x plus y equal to 4. That is the first equation. Second equation is x minus y is equal to 5. That is 2x minus, we are multiplying this by 10. That is equal to, what you are getting? You are getting, this is equal to 10. 2x plus y equal to 4, first equation. 2x minus 2y equal to 10 is the second equation got from this. By elimination, 3y is equal to, you will get minus 6, y is equal to minus 2, y is equal to minus 2. Now putting y equal to minus 2 in any of the equation, it is better to put here x plus 2 is equal to 5 implies x equal to 3. That means you got the center HK is equal to 3 comma minus 2. That is you got center is 3 comma minus 2, and you are given the radius as 5 units. This is 5 units. Then by using central form you can find the equation of circle as x minus each time in each question whatever the form that you are using you have to mention it. That is better for you as well as you will get mark. That is, but I will not write every time these forms of equations of circle. X minus 3 whole square, x minus 3 whole square plus y plus 2 whole square is equal to r square is 5 square. By solving it, x square minus 6x plus 9 plus y square plus 4y plus 4 is equal to 25. Now converting standard form, you get x square plus y square minus 6x plus 4y plus 4y. This is 13 minus 25, that is 12 equal to 0. This is one type of question. Next question is example 7. Example 7, page number 24.7. I am reading the question. Find the equation of a circle whose radius is 5, radius 5, whose center lie on x-axis, passing through the point 2, 3. You are asked to find equation of a circle. Passing whose center is on x-axis. X means this one, and passing through the point. For drawing circle, little bit of patience should be there because it should be as symmetrical with axis. Axis से symmetrical होना चाहिए. That is, this is the circle, and you are given that center lie on x-axis. Since center is on x-axis, and on x-axis the y-coordinate is 0. Let me draw once more. And the y-coordinate, and y-coordinate is 0. You can assume center as a, 0. This is C. And one more condition you are given, that it passes through the point 2, 3. That means I am taking the point 2, 3. In R.D. Sharma, it is drawn, two circles are drawn, but no need of drawing this first circle. By drawing this one, you will get confused. Now let the center of the circle be on x-axis, this x-axis, y-axis, and let the center be a, 0. Divide our assumption. And circle is passing through the point, say P. It is given, and circle passes through the point P 2, 3. So that CP is equal to radius. Radius is given as what? 5 units. That means by distance formula, that is CP square is equal to 25. By distance formula you get a minus 2 whole square plus 0 minus 3 whole square is equal to 25. Now that is a square minus 4a plus 4 plus 9 minus 16 is equal to 0. That is a square, let me check, plus 4 plus 9 minus 25 is equal to 0. That is, let me check, a square minus 4a plus 4 plus 9, that is 13 minus 25, this is 25. 4 plus 9 minus 20, that is a square minus 4a minus 12 is equal to 0. By splitting middle term, you will get a minus 6 into a plus 2 is equal to 0. See, minus 6 plus 2 minus 4, and minus 6 into 2 minus 12. That implies a is equal to 6 or a is equal to minus 2. Now that means if a equal to 6 gives center is equal to 6, 0, a equal to minus 2 gives center is equal to minus 2, 0. Now by central form of equation circle, in this case, the equation of circle is x minus h whole square, x minus 6 whole square plus y minus 0 whole square is equal to 5 square. By solving this, you will get x square plus y square minus 12x plus 36 minus 25, that is plus 11 is equal to 0. That is, there are two equations of circle by considering these two centers. Now in this case, by again applying central form, you get x plus 2 whole square plus y minus 0 whole square is equal to 5 square. By solving it, you get x square plus 4x plus 4 plus y square is equal to 25. That implies x square plus y square plus 4x minus 21 is equal to 0. These are the two equations of circle One is this one, x square plus y square minus 12x plus 11 equals 0. Second is x square plus y square plus 4x minus 21 equals 0. This question is completing here. Next question is, if you how we can find on finding type, this is type 2, type 1 we completed. On finding center and radius. On finding center and radius of a given circle. Of a given circle. That means you are given the circle. You have to find its center and radius. There are four. I am doing example 8. There are 4 parts. First and third part is given directly in the form x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square root r square. That you can do. I am doing question number 2. Question number 2. The given question is the equation of circle is given as x square plus y square minus 4x plus 6y is equal to 12. Now the central form of circle is x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square equal to r square. You have to convert this form. For that you have to make the perfect square of the term containing x as well as term containing y into perfect square. How we can take it? That is x square minus 4x, a square minus 2ab, that is b is 4, that is 4 I am adding. You have to add there also, plus y square plus 6y. Matlab b is y square plus 2 into y into 3, that is b is 3. In the formula a plus b whole square, that is 9 is equal to, since we are adding 4 plus 9 here, you have to add same thing in the right side, that is 12 plus 4 plus 9. This can be written as x minus 2 whole square plus y plus 3 whole square is equal to 25. Now converting to standard form, you get x minus 2 whole square plus y minus 3 whole square is equal to 5 square. Now what is this? By comparing this in the central form, by comparing this equation central form, you will get center is equal to hk is equal to 2 comma सेंट्रल फॉर्म में बीच में माइनस साइन है तो आपको बीच में माइनस साइन करना है, इसलिए प्लस को माइनस माइनस कर दिया. 2 comma minus 3 and radius is the right side quantity, r is equal to 5 units. In this way you can find center and radius of a circle by the given equation of circle. First of all you have to collect terms having x together, terms having y together, then try to expand either convert either it in the form of a minus b whole square or a plus b whole square, then compare with central form. One more question is remaining. Example first and third is very important, and here the fourth example I am reading. X square plus y square plus 6x minus 4y plus 4 equals 0. This you can do by yourself. Now type 3 is on finding the equation of a circle. On finding equation of a circle under given condition. This is type 2 is over. Type 3 finding equation of a circle. Equation of a circle. Some given geometrical condition. Some given geometrical conditions. How we can do it? I am doing example 9. Example 9. I am reading the question. Find the center and radius of circle which touches first part x-axis whose center touches the x-axis and whose center is 3, 4. First part, let us do first. You are asked to find the equation of a circle. That is the given geometrical condition. आपको कोई geometrical condition दिया था. What is the geometrical condition? Which touches x-axis and center is 3, 4. आपको circle का equation बनाना है. उसका geometrical condition है. It is touching x-axis and center is 3, 4. That you are given, and you have to find the equation of this circle. How we can find equation of this circle? Now since you know that the center is and this since this is BC and the point of intersection of circle is P, that means you have to find the equation of this circle and which touches x-axis. को x-axis में touch कर रहे हैं passing through C4 3, 4. Now since this distance is perpendicular distance of this perpendicular distance and it represents the y coordinate of this point, this distance is 4 units. then CP is equal to, you are given that CP is, you have to find out CP equal to 4 because perpendicular distance implies CP square is equal to 16. You have to assume like everything, but you have to do. Now by distance formula, you will get this point is what you are given by equation x minus, this is hk, this is r, then x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square to r square. If you put it, you get x minus 3 whole square plus y minus 4 whole square is equal to 4 square. That is x square minus 6x plus 9 plus y square minus 8y plus 60 is equal to 60. Now by converting to standard form, you get x square plus y square minus 6x minus 8y, 16 is getting cancelled, plus 9 equals 0. This is the first case. Now what is the second case? You also go through RD, you watch my video. Second condition is, it lies on, it touches x-axis at origin and whose radius is 5 units. Next question में, next part में क्या कर दे रखा है, वो circle is touching the x-axis at origin. Circle x-axis को origin में touch कर रहा है. X-axis at origin, and the condition is and radius is 5 units. 1 minute, let me draw the figure properly. Radius is 5 units. Since it touches the y-axis, the center should lie on y-axis. The radius is given as 5 units, so the center is equal to 5 units, and this is origin, this distance is 5 units. By central form of equation, we will get x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square to r square gives x minus 0 whole square plus y minus 5 whole square is equal to radius is 5 square. You will get x square plus y square minus 10y is equal to 0. This is the second case. Third case is both axes, the circle touches both the axes and radius equal to 5 units. How we can draw this figure? Third part, the circle touches both the axes, दोनों axes को touch कर रहा है, and the radius is given as 5 units. I can draw the approximate form of the figure, not proper. This is the circle, let us assume. The circle touches the axis, both the axes, and radius is 5 units. Since radius is 5, this is 5 and this is also 5. So the center becomes 5, 5. Now in the central form, you got hk is equal to 5, 5, radius equal to 5, 5. By central form of equation circle, x minus h whole square plus 5 minus k whole square, the equation of this circle is x minus 5 whole square plus y minus 5 whole square is equal to 5 square. That implies x square minus 10x plus 25 plus y square minus 10y plus 25 is equal to 25. Just by putting the values. Now by simplification, you will get this as x square, 125 is getting cancelled, x square plus y square minus 10x minus 10y plus 25 is equal to 0. This is the third part. The last part of this question is the circle touches the line x equal to 0, y equal to 0 and x equal to a. Line touches the circle touches the line x equal to 0, that is y axis, y equal to 0, x axis, x equal to a. How we can draw the figure? Let me draw figure first of all. Without figure you can't do the questions in 2D as well as 3D. This is 2D. The circle touches both the axes. That is circle touching both the axes, and the line, one more line is given. Line is x equal to a. This is x equal to a, positive side of positive side of this y axis. This is y, this is x. This line is x equal to 0. This line is y equal to 0, x axis. This line is x equal to 0. This line is x equal to a. That is, this is a. Then if this is a, then radius will be half of this one. That is a by, center is, this is a by 2. Again this is a, then half of this a by 2. That is, you got center as a by 2, comma a by 2. Now radius is a by 2 only. यहाँ से ये distance लेंगे तो ये a by 2 हो गया. Again ये distance लेंगे, again this is a by 2. That means your h comma k becomes a by 2 comma a by 2, and radius is again a by 2. Because this distance is a, then half of this distance is the radius a by 2. Now by forming using central form, you will get x minus a by 2 whole square plus y minus a by 2 whole square is equal to a by 2 square. Now this you can solve by yourself. I am not going to solve it, and you have to do this by yourself because by simplification is little bit lengthy, that you can do by yourself. This is example 9. Now last question of today's class is, I am reading the question. Find example 11. Example 11, page number 24.10. I am reading the question. Find the equation of circle which passes through origin and cuts off intersect 3 and 4 from the positive parts of axis. You are given a circle which passes through origin. वो origin से pass हो रहा है and should be shown as in circle. Circle को थोड़ा circle जैसे बनाना है, so you can do it. This is the circle, and you are given that. Let me draw once more. This is the coordinate axis. You are given a circle which is passing through origin. Origin से pass भी हो रहा है and cuts off the intercept. Cuts off the intercept 3 and 4 on positive side of x-axis. That is this is origin. This is the point that the circle is intersecting both the axes x comma y. You are given OA equal to 3 units and OB is equal to 4 units. Now since center is half of this one, the horizontal distance become 3 by 2. This is 3 by 2 and vertical is 4, that is 4 by 2 is 2. So the center become 3 by 2 comma 4. That means since OA is equal to 3 and this is I can take this is M, this is N. OM is equal to, this is M and this is N. NC is equal to 3 by 2 and ON is equal to CM is equal to 4 by 2, that is 2. That means H comma K is equal to 3 by 2 comma 2. By central form of equation circle, x minus 3 by 2 whole square plus y minus 2 whole square. What is radius? Radius कितना होगा आप सोच कर बताइए. What will be the radius? How we can find radius? Radius is be found out by applying Pythagoras in right triangle. I am doing here. In right triangle, OCM by Pythagoras theorem, OC is equal to under root of, this is 3 by 2. 3 by 2 square plus 2 square, that is under root of 9 by 4 plus 4, that is you solve it, you will get 3 by 2, 9 by 4, that is 9 plus 4, 16, 25, root 25 by 4, that is 5 by 2. This is the radius. This is the procedure of finding radius by using Pythagoras theorem. So it is 5 minus 2 whole square equal to 5 by 2 whole square. Now if you can solve it, I am not going to solve it. That is the required equation of circle is x minus 3 by 2 whole square plus y minus 2 whole square equal to 5 by 2 square. Now there are number of questions, and whatever the question I am leaving here, you have to do by yourself because I can't complete each and every question. And in this chapter, it is better to do unsolved exercise question also because it is not so difficult. I hope that you understood today's class. If you have any queries, you can ask me. Do all these questions at least 2 to 3 times so that you will get clear idea about that one. See you again in the next class. Thank you.